I have an Electrolux Dishwasher ESM64840SX, and today I will show you how you can deactivate the rinse aid empty notification. So, in the first step, open the user mode, so hold these two buttons for a few seconds in the echo mode. The indicator are lightning, so we are in the user mode. Now press the start button. Then 0D means the rinse aid empty notification is deactivated. 1D, like here, it means the rinse aid empty notification is activated. To manage this function, click on the play button, and as you can see, now we can manage the notifications about the rinse aid. After that, just wait or click on the power button to save the settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.